Bertha Park High School is unique in a number of ways. We actually got to build everything from scratch. It had never been a school before. So we were able to establish ourselves with our values, vision, ethos, curriculum content. We don't have any corporate memory, there's no history for the school, which is a fantastic opportunity for us to rethink how we do things. So one of the examples of that we have is the school bells. We don't actually have school bells, and it's actually quite an historic thing about preparing young people in the 19th century for work in factories. So we have a completely bell-free school, and people move about just as they would do in any other place of work at the time that's appropriate for them to move.
Because we had a blank canvas, that facilitated the idea to have an iconic building which would be the centre of the new village development here. All the cellular classrooms are on the outside of the building to capture the natural daylight, but that then opens up into wide open, accessible teaching areas throughout the school.
You'll see within the building we have the amphitheatre here, which is an absolutely fantastic space that was designed to ensure that we could have school functions, including assemblies, and external functions, including dance and exhibitions and things like that within the school.
The vision has always been to make the school a place where people want to be. You've got a much more open plan, flexible place to learn, to prepare the young people for real life in the 21st century.
It's better than I've ever had before. It's amazing, it's very big, lots of areas for us to sit at break time and everything, and big classrooms as well.
I liked how bright it was, it's more natural lighting and modern. It's so bright, we have a whole wall of windows. I think it's just better to work in, makes you feel more awake, I think.
We're trying to break down a lot of barriers at Bertha Park High School and challenge the way that secondary education is actually delivered. A concern in many high schools over the past few years has been young people's mental health and well-being, so we decided to tackle that at grassroots level and from the ground up, so that we're not bolting initiatives on to help things when it goes wrong. So we actually have mindfulness programmed into our daily routine. During a registration period they'll go and they'll register, but we also have 5, 6, 7 minutes of mindfulness and getting the young people in a place ready for their learning.
Very proud of the school, very proud of the design of the school. I would say that this project has been the best project that I've worked on from a team basis.
I've delivered schools throughout Scotland, and this is probably the best school that I have. I'm so proud of the way it has turned out at the end, especially delivering on time, delivering snag-free, defect-free, and health and safety is a major part of that as well.
Throughout the build, we've had an incredibly positive relationship with Robertson. We've asked to come up probably more times than we should have done, and brought young people with us and brought parents up to have a look around the school as it's been in the build process, and absolutely nothing was ever an issue to them. They've been so supportive of us, so it's been a fabulous working relationship for the whole of the 18 months that I've been involved.